Hi guys, it's another day on Tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to make money with your WhatsApp status. Let's start now. Firstly, visit your App Store or Google Play Store. We are going to download an app called WhatsApp Aid. WhatsApp Aid. Yeah, we are going to download WhatsApp Aid. Type in WhatsApp Aid. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to download your WhatsApp Aid app firstly. After downloading, you open the WhatsApp Aid app. Note, we have to create an account. You have to create an account on WhatsApp Aid. And this WhatsApp Aid helps you to advertise your product. So before you can advertise your product, you have to go to create advert. You can drive traffic to your website, promote your page, or sell an item on WhatsApp ad. Also, you can make money by sharing adverts on your WhatsApp status, just like this. Session is not helping me. So when it opens, then we select. Sorry, it's not helping me. So when it opens, then we select. Then you post. The more the people click on the links to visit that advert, the more you also get money. And you can withdraw money from 10 cedis upwards. Keep in mind, you can withdraw money only if it is 10 cedis upwards. Thank you for watching Tutorial Ghana. Meet you next time.